Muthenya umwe thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi William RUTO kwihita ndegwitikira bururi WAGAGIO ringi ni gikundi kiria kirehithania na arurungania rika ria Gen Z riu MCA'S kuma icigo-ini ngurani cia bururi ni meyumiritie na kunyita mbaru murugamo uyu magitongorio ni MCA wa Shinga Kiruga Thuku. MCA'A ni maikitie mugambo wao kuri andu aria marahurana na utongoria wa RUTO makiuria aria maraigua matiganeire na utongoria uyu magokira tene mwaka-ini wa 2027 na matigirire ni mathura atongoria aria marenda no kwa ihinda riri mahe mutongoria wa bururi kanya ga kurutira muingi wira uria athukiirwo.
It is also critical to repeat that Kenya is a democracy of house standing and therefore it has no place for criminal and unconstitutional change of government. D. Should any Kenyan feel the government won't have properly served them, they will give their scorecard in the 2027 general election.
Oho ni moritie mbeu njithi marugamie mirurungano iria yambiriirie iri ya thayu indi thutha wa kahinde kingirirwo ni andu matari na matanya mega na gucungiriria ikuna wanangi.
I want to start first of all by congratulating our Generation Z for making us introspect into the politics of this country. We want to assure them that we have heard them, that all levels of government have heard them. We are listening, we will continue to listen, and we promise that we will work with them going forward.
Mwena-ini wake Annabel Ndilo na uria ni MCA wa guthukio kuma Machakos ni oretia mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka aingire thirikari-ini kuona uge wake uria umanite na miaka mingi ria akoretwo thirikari-ini no ukore uri wa uguni munene kuri bururi.
Having come from Ukambani, where Kalonzo hails from, I come from a diplomatic study. Kalonzo, you are a diplomat and we want to call upon you. Please, you are a peaceful leader. Come to the president, talk to him, and please, we are calling upon your wisdom. We, as we hail from Ukambani, we listen to you, and we are calling upon and we are pleading with you, come and talk to the president.
Jeremia Karani na uria ni MCA wa Kayole ya Gatagati no athiete na mbere na kuria a Kenya na makiria mbeu njithi mahimbirie thayu matigaitirira bururi mutondo-ini wa bara itathiraga akiheana ngerekano ya mabururi maria mambiriirie na uregani ta uyu indi nginyagia umuthi thayu nduri wacokereria
kumuririkania itura rimwe ria Somalia na rais wari kuu wetagwo Said Bare andu manegenire makenegena makimuruta mamuruta thina uria wonekanire kuu nginya no muthi gutire kwagira.
Miario no yukite orere mbeu njithi merigireirwo gutabania mirurungano muthenya wa rucio magitetia gucokio kwa amwe a aria marari ndundu-ini ya maministeria iriga kubunjwo. Kiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Wanjohi.